Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, right now in front of you HP Smart Tank 515 printer, and the issues with this printer, after turning it on you hear the voice. Look, its ink cartridge is moving from right to left with very fast speed, and after that it always showing E3 error. We will fix this problem today. Watch the complete video. I will tell you what is the cause to move without balance this ink carriage system from right to left and left to right. First of all, turn the power off. To disassemble this printer, there are 4 screws. We have to open two screws on the front side and 2 screws on the back side. Unscrew these 2 screws. Two screws are here. Okay, here we go. Okay. There is a down 2 cables for scanner and front panel. These cables we will remove. Okay, remove the top cover. Okay, here I will show you what is the reason that you know why this ink carriage is moving very fast from right to left. And here, because of this strip, this encoding strip is mistakenly, I think, I don't know what is the reason, it came out of its sensor. Okay, so what we will do, we will lift, we'll see, we will lift this from here and keep it here. This is the place of this encoding strip, and this was the reason that it's moving very fast. Now the ink carriage was not sensing this strip, so that's why it was abnormally moving from left to right and right to left. What to do, just fix it back here, and we will return our top cover to split scanner top cover and everything, and then these 2 cables of scanner and front panel we will fix back like this with my right hand while holding it with my left hand. Okay, and now fine, close this before we tight this screw. I will just connect the power and we'll see, turn it on. It will take a bit to boot, so meanwhile we will fix back our screw. It's turned it on already and there is no more voice. I will fix back the screws and we'll check and give the copy command and see. We will find is it taking the paper well or not. I will give copy command. initializing. Let's see, it will not take long. Suppose it will print now. Taking the paper, and there is no more issue. You can see on the screen printer is in register now. This was the method, guys. If your ink carriage is moving fast from right to left, you have to find out that inside the encoding strip, sometimes it's broken, sometimes it's out of its place. So if it's broken, you have to fix back, and if it's out of its genuine place, you have to fix back to this same place as it came by default. If you have any question regarding HP Smart Tank 515 printer, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.